Guys, how are you all doing? I hope you all are absolutely fine. Welcome back to our channel. This is Cheryl and Avril vlogs. So today I'm standing in my garden and you all can see a banana plant right behind me. So today I'm come with one of my favorite recipes, Goan recipes, that is Ukde Thandnachi Bhakri, that is rice flat bread, and in Konkani we call it as Ukde Thandnachi Bhakri, and we say Tannam Podets also. I just love this Thandnachi Bhakri, and it is so tasty, and especially during the rainy season and during the winter season also. Bari garam garam bhakri hawpak jai. So I'm going to share this recipe with y'all because this has been in my family since generations. My grannies used to prepare, my mummy also prepared this for us. She prepared for us when we were small. She still prepares, and we also prepare. We learn from her, and hopefully our children will carry it forward. Bring garam garam Bakri hapa disotanu. So very garam garam bakri hapa zai pasa tempa shian tempa. So I guess in Goa many of you all must be preparing it also, and this is one of my favorites, so I thought why not share with you all, and we should keep these recipes and carry this forward to our future generations. So for this, first of all you need boiled rice, ukde tandoor, and then you need coconut, grated coconut, one grated coconut, and then you need banana leaves. Okay, so you'll have to roast the bakri in between the banana leaves. So in case if you don't have a banana leaf, you can also apply some a little bit of ghee or oil on the non-stick tawa pan, I mean to say, and then just put the batter and tap it in the shape of a bakri in case if you don't have a leaf. And also if you all want nice aroma to your bakri, you can also put it in between the haldi leaves, patodia pana. So you can put the bakri in between the haldi leaves also, so it gives a nice aroma to the bakri, and very bro was eta bro patodia is was eta bakri and very rich eta no. And magi kitko hapachi my goram goram hapachi chai barabo, you can have it plain also. Garam garam bakri yopachi, and then if you want you can add a little bit of butter on it when it's hot, and then just move the bakri so the butter will spread all over, and then just have it. And oh my god, trust me, it is yum. It is so delicious, and it is like then I can eat one and two, and my high trapas hota my. So if you all haven't, then please go ahead and try this. So guys, come on, let's see how it is prepared. Kota. Okay. ada seperti itu ya tadi
masih mau dolar bisa kan? Karena zaman ini pun lagu tak hard care. रांनीचे बरं जातात ते रांनी चुलीचे सुसायगात कोयलाचे भाजी जरा बरं येतात
Thandnachi Bhakri. Ukde Thandnachi Bhakri. It's also known as rice bread, flat rice bread.